Hello there, my name is Jason Perkins. I'd like to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney who specializes in handling Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series of videos to provide people who've been hurt at work with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits they should receive under that law. Today I want to talk to you about whether the workers' compensation insurance company can stop paying for medical treatment in your case. The basic answer to that is yes, they can stop paying for medical treatment, but it doesn't mean that they should. There's often things that you can do about it if the insurance company does stop paying for medical treatment. Now, the main way that an insurance company stops paying for medical treatment is by just not authorizing that treatment or denying it. Sometimes they'll file a specific form doing this, but often they just may not contact the doctor and provide authorization for the treatment. And this means you don't get the treatment that you need because the doctor is not going to provide that treatment until they have authorization from the workers' compensation insurance company. There's a few different situations where this happens. One is you could reach a time limit on your medical treatment. If you were injured after July 1st of 2013, most medical treatment in Georgia workers' compensation cases is limited to 400 weeks from when your injury occurred. 400 weeks is about 7.5 years. And if you reach this period, the insurance company may file a form saying they're not paying for more medical treatment. It's important to know there are some exceptions to that 400-week limit. There's exceptions for certain specific types of treatment that you may need. And there's also exceptions if your case is designated as catastrophic. The other important thing to remember is if you're hurt before July 1st, 2013, that 400-week limit on medical treatment does not apply to your case. A second situation where the insurance company stops paying for medical treatment is when they're just refusing to authorize treatment that your workers' compensation doctor has recommended. They may have some medical opinion to support this, or they may just think that they don't agree with what the doctor's recommended, so they're not providing the authorization. Again, this is going to mean you're not going to get the treatment you need because the doctor is not going to move forward with it until it's authorized. There are some things that can be done here to get the authorization that you need. One is to talk with the adjuster, get the adjuster to provide authorization. If the adjuster won't do that, you can get an attorney involved to help out and file a Form WC-PMT, which is a petition for medical treatment for the judge, or to file a motion or request a hearing to get treatment approved in your case. A final situation where you often might see the workers' compensation insurance company not pay for medical treatment is when they believe they have the workers' compensation doctor saying you don't need it anymore. You're all better. Maybe you've reached maximum medical improvement or full duty. And one of the important things to understand here is maximum medical improvement and full duty don't mean that you don't need medical treatment. You can still need medical treatment and be at full duty work status or be at maximum medical improvement. But if the workers' compensation insurance company is trying to say, hey, you are all better, or any treatment you need is related to a pre-existing condition and the injury that you had at work, the aggravation injury is resolved, then you may be in a situation where the insurance company is not going to authorize it. You may need to get a second opinion from another doctor to disagree with the workers' compensation doctor. You may need to consider a change in position. Or in some situations, the workers' compensation doctor may reconsider things and say that, no, you haven't had an aggravation that's resolved. You're not at full duty. You still need treatment. So there's things that can be done there too. Hope you found this information about whether the workers' compensation insurance company can stop paying for medical treatment helpful. If you have, please let me know that. One of the best ways you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. And if your medical treatment is being delayed or denied by the workers' compensation insurance company, don't just accept that. And don't delay getting that fixed. Delaying can cause you to miss deadlines, which means maybe you lose workers' compensation benefits. So if you've got questions, I'd encourage you to reach out and get a free consultation about your case. If you'd like to schedule a free consultation with me, there's two easy ways you can do that. First is by calling the phone number at the bottom of the screen, and the other is by reaching out to us to our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com. Just click on and submit the pre-consultation request form there. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video today. I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injuries.